Welcome back to Comedy Cooking YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe.
Presenting GoPro Hero 11 Waterproof Action Camera. Its new image sensor boosts resolution up to an incredible 27 megapixel while delivering 5.3K 60 videos and 24.7 megapixel for your favorite shots. The HyperSmooth 5.0 raises the bar with improved stabilization for 4:3 aspect ratio footage. With 5.3K video resolution, capture action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality. The Hero 11 Black is versatile enough for any adventure. It's built to take a beating and keep going, whether you're ripping through mud, snow or water to depths of 33 feet and 10 meters. The durable and scratch-resistant lens cover adds even more protection and can be easily replaced if needed. The 8:7 aspect ratio captures more of the scene in each shot. The added height makes it perfect for creating extra tall 9:16 vertical shots or any other size you need for any social media platform. It features 3 new time-lapse modes that let you get creative after dark. Use the Hero 11 Black as an ultra-versatile webcam or live stream your next activity as you vlog. Create nail shots the easy way with power tools. Hindsight captures up to 30 seconds of footage before you start recording. Even if you press the shutter too late, you'll still get the shot. The box includes Hero 11 Black camera, carrying case, enduro rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mounts, mounting buckle along with thumb screw and USB-C cable.